Hello Diecast fans and welcome back to the Growing Cars show. Today we're unboxing a truly unique casting, the Hot Wheels Fished and Chipped. This is part of the HW designed by Series 2025, number 32 out of 250 with the model code JBC21. Scale is 164 and it comes from Case P 2025. A sleek custom with a two-tone brown and cream finish, this low and stretched profile really screams classic custom car culture. The Fished and Chipped is one of Hot Wheels' original designs, but clearly inspired by classic British luxury coupes and American lead sleds. It features exaggerated proportions, an ultra-low stance, smooth chopped roofline, and that unmistakable custom front grille. Perfect for collectors who love custom builds and street rod style. Now let's talk about the real inspiration. The Fished and Chipped is often linked to cars like the Jaguar Mark X or classic Bentleys, reimagined through a hot rod lens. Imagine a powerful inline-6 or V8 under the hood, tuned for cruising rather than racing. These cars were known for elegance and presence, stretching over 5 meters in length, with engines around 4.2 liters, producing roughly 265 horsepower, and capable of 0 to 100 kilometers h in about 9 seconds, with top speeds near 190 kilometers h. What makes this casting special is its attitude, that chopped and dropped body style, smooth lines, and custom touches. From the side you can see the sculpted vents and long flowing fenders. The Hot Wheels tampos are minimal but perfectly placed, including the logo by the front wheel. It's a perfect base for customizers too. Many fans swap wheels and add chrome detailing to make it pop even more. So here it is, the Hot Wheels Fished and Chipped JBC21. Whether you love it for its British luxury inspiration or as a pure custom hot rod, it's a standout piece in the 2025 lineup. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel for daily diecast content, unboxings, 360° reviews and dioramas every week. Non perderti i prossimi video. Iscriviti al canale per contenuti quotidiani su modellini in scala 1,64, unboxing 360° e diorami ogni settimana.